Electric motor step 1 2 3 4 original screws to reset. Step 2. Take out these 2 screws from the screw accessory pack. Connect them with the connecting rod of the lock. 2. Dim it to this hole. Step 3. Install the screw here. Try to move to this hole. Fasten the screw. Step 4. Take out such 4 screws. The point to this place. Fix it with the screw. This part to this place and fix it with the screw. Step 5. Reset the original car gear shift mechanism. These 4 screws are from the original car. You must remember to reset the original car's connector. Step 2. Connect the wires into the control box or into the original car sensor. Send to signal insertion switch. Red is here, black is there. So to the cigarette lighter. Go to the motor. Key to the gear panel P parking position. Bar connect with 10 key. After that, test all the functions. After checking, take off this part. Next step, test the electronic handbrake function. Start the engine. Shift to neutral. 2到3, people to push. If still have the space to push, put in P gear and turn off the engine. This screw still needs to be tightened further inward until can push. OK. Then shift to P gear. Parking switch. The parking switch in the P position will be displayed on the instrument panel. If it does not display, this is a limit switch and it can be adjusted up and down. You must touch this part of the iron with the limit switch. Release. P gear switch parking signal light off.